Welcome back to Peptide Ritual, where luxury is precision and science is the luxury. Today's episode is for anyone who's tried everything and still feels like their skin looks the same. Because the problem is rarely that you don't have enough products. It's usually that you don't have an anchor, one consistent step your skin can rely on. Here's what I see constantly. People build routines like a playlist. They add a new product, skip it for a few days, switch to something else, then add another. And they're trying hard, truly. But skincare responds to consistency, not intensity. Luxury skincare is not the loudest routine. It's the routine you can do on your worst day. So today, we're talking about the anchor step, the one product you commit to using consistently and build everything else around it. An anchor is the product that answers this question. If I do only one thing today, what is it? For Peptide Ritual, a peptide serum can be a powerful anchor because it's designed for the overall look of the skin, supporting the appearance of smoothness, firmness, and radiance with steady use. This is where Wrinkle Reset Serum comes in. It's designed to be a daily peptide anchor step. Simple, consistent, repeatable. Not because more is better, but because repeatable is better. Before you choose how you use your anchor, choose what you want most. I call it the 3 priorities. Lines. You're focused on the appearance of fine lines. Texture. You want smoother looking skin surface. Radiance. You want an overall glow, more even looking tone. Here's why this matters. If you try to target all 3 at once, you usually create a complicated routine you can't sustain. But when you pick one...
This audio was created with async.com.
Create a complicated routine you can't sustain. But when you pick one priority, the routine becomes calm, and it gets easier to see progress. So as you listen, decide your priority, lines, texture, or radiance. Now let's talk about a point that seems too simple to matter, but absolutely does. How you apply your serum. A lot of people rub skincare in quickly, the way they rub in hand lotion. But for the face, especially with a minimalist routine, your goal is apply evenly, press, and let it set. Here's the method. Use a small amount, enough to spread comfortably, but not so much that your skin feels wet and slippery. Apply it across the face. Then press it in gently, like you're setting it, not scrubbing it in. Give it a moment before you layer anything else. This reduces that pilling or balling up experience people complain about, and it makes the routine feel honestly more luxurious. It's quiet precision. If you want a tiny experiment that changes everything, do this. For the next 7 days, commit to one anchor step, your peptide serum, without switching, without adding a new miracle product halfway through. 7 days isn't about dramatic transformation. It's about building the habit and removing the noise. Because when you remove the noise, you can actually tell what's working for your skin. If you want me to personalize this for you, here's what to do. Comment your priority, lines, texture, or radiance, and the word reset on today's post, and I'll reply with the simplest routine order built around Wrinkle Reset Serum. Luxury isn't more steps. Luxury is a routine you can repeat. Thanks for being here. This is Peptide Ritual, where we keep it clinically aligned, emotionally intelligent, and beautifully minimal. Science is the luxury.
This audio was created with async.com.